In this video, we are working on restoring a stone foundation to the house that was dismantled in a previous video. The work was heavy in many ways, but it feels very good to restore something that previously stood on the same spot for over 200 years. The stones presented many challenges, but eventually, even the largest stone had to give in to humanity. I don't know what it is. This work may look very monotonous and tough when you see it in a video, but I enjoyed every second of it. The goal is to someday restore the bakehouse that previously stood on this site. Last but not least, a drink at the end of the day is what makes the day complete. See you next time, Chris.